Ecuador's Electoral Dispute Tribunal has rejected the measure presented by the National Electoral Council, which granted the presidential running mates of the Union for Hope coalition 48 hours to correct observations in order to accept the registration to participate in the February 2021 presidential elections. Our correspondent in Quito, Denise Herrera, brings all the details.
We have the pronouncement of the electoral tribunal, and it has been in our favor.
The contentious electoral tribunal rejected the legal action presented against the resolution of the National Electoral Council that decided to grant 48 hours to the Democratic Center Binominal to correct observations.
Lo que sucedió el día de ayer refleja entonces.
What happened then reflects that the Ecuadorian people will play an important role in the electoral process, an electoral process that has suffered many interferences from politics through a political operator who is the control of CELI, and through the prosecutor office that have tried to pressure the NEC. After all this, they even tried to leave aside the progressive tendency in the country, but we continue in the struggle, Arauz.
Part of the observations issued by the National Electoral Council was to correct the replacement of former President Correa by Carlos Rabascall.
We already comply with the term the TCE gave us to replace Correa with the legal action. This was in suspension. Now the TCE will have to proceed with the qualification of the binomial. Once the resolution of the contentious tribunal is executed, there should not be any legal restriction to participate in the upcoming elections.
Given this pronouncement, the Citizen Revolution Party and different sectors point out that there should no longer be any reason for the TCE not to confirm the inscription of the binomial.
Como en el Ecuador hemos vivido años de persecución.
As in Ecuador, we have lived through years of persecution, of political blockade, and we no longer act under the constitution, but under political slogans. We were very worried that the organizations would not act in a legal way. However, the Electoral Tribunal and the TCE have determined that the replacement is legal, and that the Arauz-Rabascall binomial will be confirmed.
According to the NAC, up to now there are 7 political movements firmly qualified, 5 qualified and 3 in the period of correction where the binominal union for hope is still placed.
Denise Herrera, TeleSUR, Quito, Ecuador.